Linux, created by Linus Torvalds in 1991, is a free, open-source operating system. It's known for its security and flexibility, but it can be challenging to learn and has hardware compatibility issues. Now, let's talk about the advantages. First up, Linux is free to run, making it a great option for people who can't afford expensive software licenses. It's also open source, so users can customize the system without worrying about licensing fees. Additionally, Linux is rarely targeted by cybercriminals and is less vulnerable to malware, making it a secure choice. The Linux community is vast and supportive, offering extensive resources and forums for troubleshooting and development. Linux is versatile and can run on a wide range of devices, from servers to smartphones, providing flexibility for different needs. Moving on to more advantages. Linux is quite stable and rarely requires reboots, which is always a plus. It also has a vibrant community that offers support and regular updates. The software library for Linux is broad, offering plenty of options for users. Lastly, Linux is interoperable with many systems, ensuring good hardware compatibility. Additionally, Linux is open source, which means developers can modify and improve the code. This flexibility allows users to customize their environment to suit their needs. Security is another strong point, with Linux being less prone to malware and viruses. Let's talk about the disadvantages of Linux. First, there's the learning curve. Linux has a steep learning curve and may be difficult for beginners to learn. Many users find it challenging to troubleshoot issues without prior experience. Then, there's hardware compatibility. Linux may not support all hardware drivers, leading to potential issues with peripherals. And lastly, software compatibility. Linux may be incompatible with some software and games, limiting the options for users who rely on specific applications. Moving on to more disadvantages. Updates can be a bit complex, and not every version includes long-term support. Additionally, package management can be an issue. Linux package managers may use pre-built packages that are not optimized for specific hardware. Another downside is the limited availability of software. Many popular applications are not available on Linux, and hardware drivers can sometimes be problematic. While community support is strong, it may not always be enough. Let's summarize the pros and cons of Linux. Linux offers exceptional security, high customizability, and it's cost-effective. It's known for stability and performance, ideal for servers and development. However, it can be challenging for beginners due to its learning curve and update complexity. Limited software availability and hardware driver issues are also drawbacks. Ideal for tech enthusiasts, developers, and those valuing customization and security. General users might explore dual boot or virtual machine options. Linux's open-source nature fosters innovation and collaboration. In conclusion, Linux remains a powerful and versatile option. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and updates.